I'm here, New York session. Here we come. So that's where price gave me a fake SSL breakout. Confirmation that price was going to sell. But see something important I want to point out. I said here, price has been one-sided to the upside since New York opened, which is a little weird. I noticed that this market is being weird. Like it's somehow, how will market just be going one direction now to the upside? It's weird, but I just like took the risk and sold. So I'm pointing out that my experience is kicking in, telling me that but I still decided to take a trade because it's around the time when price begins to reverse to the downside, which was after 10. Yeah. So all I had to do was wait for price to come and trigger my sell, which was at that inefficiency there. Just had to wait for price to trigger it, and then it's put me on a short position. Ah. 10:30 medium impact news is not here yet. I pointed that out because I was expecting that to be a driver of price. That's me taking a sell there. I'm placing my stop loss 20 cents as usual for the London, targeting $1. That's nice sweet profit. $1. $1 would have been nice. I've spilled the beans. I really was confident that price was going to go lower, but again, I was not that trustworthy. I pointed out that Totsu short also might potentially occur there above the highs. It already began to reject to the downside. Look at that. Price went straight for my stop loss. Beautiful. Stopped out there. This maga. Take a look at this. This is where I sold off here, expecting the medium impact news to throw price to the downside, but look at instead it was used to send price higher. It just continued higher one-sidedly. This is exactly what I was talking about. Where did I see it? Exactly. Which is little weird. I've noticed all this type of one-sided movement happens on some Mondays. One-sided movement win direction upside, and it continued like that. One-sided movement to the upside. It just retraced a little bit here and closed the day. But ever so slightly since then, it has been going up, higher. Then later, it was later during the PM session, it started coming back to hunt for the low created during 12 o'clock. See that 11 a.m. I was right about this type around this time. Price dropping to the downside though. Look at where is 11:30? After 11:30, price stabbed the buy side, then dropped down to close to sell side, but it took out the sell side. But the sell side created during 10 o'clock was not taken out. Price was supposed to come down and take it out, but it did not, like it normally would do. So I pointed out the market's acting quite funny today. I'll be off. I could tell the market was acting funny. Just going one-sided. I could tell that, oh, Precious, it's not really your fault. You waited for everything to play out. Very important as a trader. So there is that. So here is the entry. Here, this is the sell entry. Here, I got stopped out. Here, I got stopped out here. Where's that London session? Let me look for that London session. Where are you? Where's the London session trade I took Bitcoin? Aha. I bought here. I got stopped out. Immediately I got stopped out, price went straight for my target during the London. I bought here, stopped me out at that 15 cents, if you can remember. Okay, 16. It's 16 cents. Stopped me out at 16 cents. I thought I stopped it at 15. And then it went straight for my target from what I was targeting. So, yep, that's. Oh, look at the PNL. That's 16 cents in the morning and 20 cents during New York. I'm keeping to my risk management. It's supposed to be 10, should have been 10, but XNET didn't trigger my stop loss, so that's not my fault. Something to watch out for in the future because of when managing huge amount of funds. So look at this thing now. You are now down back to 340 at $36 low on the day instead of $30. 36 cent low on the day and instead of 30 cents. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all of it. Peace.